Polygon construction 3. Lastly, let's construct a regular polygon of a given side length. Start by drawing a baseline and mark points A and B at a distance equal to the side length of the polygon, as shown. As you can see, point A forms a 180-degree angle. Now, divide it into the same number of equal divisions as the number of sides, 5 for the pentagon, 6 for the hexagon, and 7 for the heptagon. Next, starting from point B, use radius AB to cut arcs on each line successively to get points C, D, E, and so on. Finally, connect the points B, C, D, and so on to complete the required polygon. This method provides a simple and accurate way to construct a regular polygon of any given side length. By dividing the angle into equal divisions and successively marking the points, it ensures consistent side lengths and precise construction, making it reliable for geometric tasks. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.